Hi, I'm Nick. If you're totally new to web design and development, or if you need a refresh, this is a good place to start. In this course, we're going to learn how to write HTML and CSS, which are the basic building blocks of any website. Don't worry if you've never written a single line of code before. We'll learn step by step so that you can follow along. By the end, we'll have created our very own personalized website that's live on the web, available for anyone to view. Let's take a quick tour. This website has 3 pages. There's the portfolio page, which you can see here. This allows you to show your design work, photography, or anything you'd like. In fact, you could easily customize this area to display your favorite family pictures. Next, we have an About page. Here, you can post a profile picture, along with a brief description of yourself. Finally, we have the Contact page. Here, you can list out contact details like your phone number, email address, and Twitter handle. This is useful if you're a web designer available for hire, or if you're running a business and you want people to be able to reach you. We'll explain everything in detail, but let's warm up by writing a single line of HTML. We're going to write our name and then wrap it in what's called a headline element. This element is just like a headline in a newspaper. It labels an important section of the page. I'm going to type out some code, and then in the code challenge after this video, you can type in your own name. The screen we're looking at is called Workspaces. We'll learn more about workspaces in the next video, but don't worry about following along just yet. For now, just try to listen and absorb the information so that you're ready for the code challenge after this video. First, we'll need to type an opening angle bracket. On most keyboards, you can do this by holding down Shift and pressing the comma key. Next, we'll type the letters H followed by the number 1. This will let us create a level 1 headline, which we'll talk more about in upcoming videos. Now, we'll close this with a closing angle bracket. Just hold down Shift and hit the period or full stop key. You'll notice that Workspaces has completed this line for me. It's typed the closing tag for this H1 element. I'm going to go ahead and delete this closing tag though, so that we can learn how to type it on our own. We've created the opening tag, but we also need to make a closing tag to pair with it. To do that, we'll type the exact same thing, only this time we'll include a / just before the H. So we'll type an opening angle bracket, a /, and once again, it's completed it for me. But after the /, we'll type an H, a 1, and then a closing angle bracket. And that will complete the H1 element. Now, between these two tags, we'll type our name. So I'm going to click between the two tags here, and I'm going to type my name, Nick Pettit. But you can go ahead and type your own name. And that's it. In the code challenge, you'll create an opening H1 tag with angle brackets, type in your name, and then create a closing tag with angle brackets and a / just after the first angle bracket. Are you ready to code some HTML? Let's try it out.